How to add your own custom song on Reels Instagram. So first of all, we will check if we have a direct option in order to add music in Instagram application itself. So for that, in order to add a reel, tap on the plus icon from this home page. Now tap on reel option and here tap on record option. So here record a video as a reel that you want to add in your account. Once done, or if you already have a video in your gallery, you can export that as well. So once you're here, tap on the music icon from your left hand side. And if you see there, you will not have any options in order to export the video from your device. Rather, you have to choose one from the music that is available here. So if you want to add your custom song, what you can do is you can open up a music player or Spotify on the background. Choose your preferred song that you want to add as your custom song. So once the music is playing in the background, you can record a video or a reel from here. And once you have recorded, the music that is being playing at the background will also be recorded in your reel. And you can simply post that. If not, you can always use the external applications such as CapCut. So CapCut will be the best option for you. So for that, what you have to do is, first of all, you must have the reel that you want to add in your gallery. After that, open up CapCut. Here tap on New Project. Select the video from your gallery, then tap on Add. Once you land on the editing page, now here they will have an option to add an audio. Tap on Add Audio. And now you can export the audio from your device. Tap on Sounds. These are some of the recommended. If you want to add from your device, tap on your device and now you can export a music from your device as well. And once you're done adding your music, what you can do is export this video with a music. After that, you can directly share it in your Instagram as a reel. So this is another way that will help you to add your own custom song on Instagram Reels. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.